Welcome to SG Riders. If you love honest, high-quality bike reviews and updates, subscribe to SG Riders, smash the like button, and turn on the bell notification right now. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus XTEC BS6 is one of the most anticipated commuter motorcycles in India. Now upgraded with modern features, refined performance, and BS6 compliance for cleaner emissions. This bike takes the legendary Splendor name into the future with updated tech, better mileage and everyday practicality. Engine and performance. The 2026 Splendor Plus XTEC BS6 comes with a refined 97.2cc BS6 engine that delivers smooth power, excellent fuel efficiency, and stress-free everyday riding. This engine is tuned to provide balanced performance and effortless city riding, while still giving you confident throttle response on highways. Mileage and fuel economy. Fuel economy is the biggest strength of the Splendor lineup. With improved combustion and BS6 tech, this model is expected to deliver 60-70 km per liter in real-world city and highway conditions, making it one of the best mileage bikes in India. Tech and features. XTEC Edition. The XTEC badge brings new tech and convenience features to the classic Splendor. Digital analog semi-digital instrument console, or Bluetooth connectivity with Hero Connect. Real-time ride tracking and alerts, your call and SMS alerts on console, and service alerts and ride statistics. It's a trip meter and fuel indicator, and deco indicator for better mileage, and digital start-stop system, C3S. These features bring smart connectivity and daily practicality to commuter biking. Ride and comfort. The Splendor Plus XTEC BS6 offers an upright and comfortable riding posture, with long, padded seat for rider pillion comfort, lightweight chassis for easy handling, smooth suspension with telescopic forks and dual rear shocks. Whether you're in dense city traffic or cruising on highways, this bike feels balanced and smooth. Brakes, tires, and safety. The bike is equipped with front disc brake, where available, rear drum brake, integrated braking system, IBS, tubeless tires. These features give confident braking and added safety for everyday use. Design and styling. The 2026 Splendor Plus XTEC BS6 keeps the classic commuter DNA, but with modern touches. Sporty new graphics, a premium dual-tone paint options, in sharper body panels, is clear lens headlamp and stylish rear cluster. It's a bike meant for practical riders who want style plus substance. Expected price, 2026. The expected ex-showroom price range for the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus XTEC BS6 is around, or is 85,000, or is 92,000, approx. This makes it a top value for money commuter bike with premium tech and mileage benefits. Perfect choice if you want the maximum mileage, the comfortable urban and highway riding. Subscribe and thank you for watching. If you found this review valuable, subscribe to SG Riders, hit the like button, and share this video with your bike lover friends. Stay tuned for more exciting bike content. Ride safe and ride smart.